Hello everyone. Let's start with the new chapter. Chapter 1, The Nile I Know. Lesson 1. Okay. If you have your books, please open page number 3, or you just can look at the first slide. Okay, let's read together. Please follow along while I'm reading. Noor gets exciting news. Most of the family was already eating when Noor came to the breakfast table. So they were having breakfast and then Noor came to the breakfast table. Grandma said, "Good morning, Noor. We have some exciting news for you." So exciting here means something very interesting and things that will make you happy. Okay, exciting, the opposite of? Exactly, boring. Next slide. Next slide. "Good morning, Grandma," Noor said. "What is the news?" She wants to know. "May I tell her, Grandma?" Samir said. So Samir is the little brother of Noor, wiggling in his seat. "May I please?" Okay, now wiggle just means that he is moving in excitement in his seat. He wants to tell her the exciting news. Next slide. "Of course, Samir," Grandma answered. "Please tell Noor our news." "Oh, we are going on a trip," Samir said happily. "A big trip." "This sounds fun. Where are we going?" Noor asked. "That's the best part," Sarah said. Now, we all know that Sarah is Noor's big sister. "We get to decide where we are going." "Oh, wow," Noor said. "This is going to be fun." So, apparently they are going on a trip and the kids have to decide where to go on this trip. Next slide. Okay. Or if you want to, please turn your page on page 4. Geography. Okay, let's talk about something called geography. This is a new vocabulary word. So what's the meaning of geography, or what's meant by geography? This is the study of places and the relationship between people and their environments. What does that mean? So this is the study of water, land. This is the study of air around us. From geography also we can know that there are many habitats. We knew, or we took before, that habitats is the natural environment of plants and animals. So from geography we can know that there are many types of habitats, such as desert, forest, coastal habitats, etc. Okay, next slide. Okay, also geography, how can we know that this is the study of land or water or air? How can we know the places? From a map. So map, what's a map? The map is a drawing of the Earth's surface, showing the countries, the towns, and rivers. So as we can see here, or if you can open the page 5, you can see Egypt map, the map of Egypt. As you can see here, we can know where are the cities. Okay, here we have Alexandria, Tanta, El Fayoum, Asyut, Luxor. So we knew all these places from a map. And we also know where are the water. Here is the Red Sea, and from above, from the north side, this is the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, so these are, or this is the definition of a map. So next slide. Okay, let's read a map. Okay, the map has different colors that differentiate or tells us or show us what are these colors represent or refers to what? So, the map key is the only way for you to know what to do. The symbols on the map means, for instance, or for example, the color blue or the baby blue color. This represents the water, such as the seas, oceans, and rivers. So when we see the color blue or the blue color on a map, we can read the map really easily and know that this is water or ocean or rivers. Okay, next slide. Here we have the yellow color. Okay, so the yellow color on the map represents large area of land that has very little water and very few plants growing on it. This means desert, okay? These are deserts are covered by sand. As you can see here, Bardo, in page number 5, you can see a little bit areas covered with the color yellow. Land is at near or below sea level. This is the lighter color or the lighter shade of yellow. These are the lands near or below the sea level. Next slide. Okay, this is the green color or the darker shade of green. This represents oasis. What's meant by oasis? This is the small green areas in a desert, usually having a spring or a well. Now, a spring means a little or a small river, as shown in these pictures. Between the palm trees, there is a stream or a spring. Next. Yes, like this. And this is a well. Next slide. Okay, now to the brown color on the map. When we see the brown color on the map, we can easily know that this is a mountain or a very high hill, often with rocks near the tops. Okay, next slide. So, this is the map of Egypt that we have here in our book. So again, we can read the map easily with these symbols or the map keys. So the blue color represents the water or oceans or seas. The brown one represents the mountains or the hills. The green color represents the oasis. The yellow represents the deserts and the sand areas, covered areas. And the last one, the light green or the lighter yellow color represents the Nile Valley and low-lying areas. Okay, that would be all. Thank you so much and good luck.